What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bryan, and of course today I have a new dance tutorial for you. Alright, the title of the song is called Back to Sleep by Chris Brown. Okay, let's start. So let's start. So from here, you're gonna go to your right. So side 1 and 2. Okay? Then open and 3. Leap on 4. Straight 5. Pull yourself and 6. Away on 7. Bend 8. One more time. So 5, 6, 7. Side. Go 1. Grab 2 and 3. 4. 5 and 6, away, 7, 8. Good job. Next from here, legs first, 1 and close, drop 2. So with the hand, it goes like this, 7, 8, 1 and 2. Side 3, 4, overhead, 5, push on 6, shoulder, and 7, full chains on 8. One more time. So 5, 6, 7, 8, go 1 and 2, 3, 4, away on 5, 6, and 7, 8. Next, step your left, step your right. Then in, out, in. This is 5, push on 6, and 7, 8. Got it? One more time. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Where we go from here? We go from here at 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Here we go. 1, 2, in, out, in. 5, 6, and 7, reach on 8. Okay? Copy? One more time from here, 7, 8, go left, right, in, out, in, 5, 6, and 7, catch. Next, away on 1, 2, to there, you hear, and 3, 4, and copy, then ear on 5, 6, 7, that's 8. Now my count is wrong, but the step is like that. One more time. From here, 6, 7, 8, away on 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, push 1. That's the counting. One more time. So 5, 6, 7, cut away, 2, to there. The sharp, to there, tap, tap. 5, 6, and 7, 8, push on 1. Let's continue. 1, you're gonna go 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, cut, then lift, down, then bounce, 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 down. Let's count. So 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, this one, push, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then this ad-lib. 5, 6, 7, 8. You can ad-lib there. Any. Boom. Boom. Okay? Let's combine first. We go from here. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, to there. Ha, ha, ah, cha, to there. away, push. 1, da da da, ta. Hit, sorry, no count. Lift, away, then bounce. Ta, 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 then and boom, boom. Okay? Let's start from the top. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, side. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, away, and 2, slowly. 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's a count. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, the last 2 8s. Yes, from here. 1, 2, 3. Head on 4. Don't forget that. Head on 4. Side on 5. 6 on a 7 on a 8. So from here, shoulder 1, 2, 3, 4. Only right. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the steps goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. The next step. 5, 6. Lift. 7, 8. Grab 1, 2. Away. 3, 4. Drop on 5, 6. Turn around on 7 and 8. Away. Yeah! Finished! But before that, let's do it one more time. So it goes like 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Go 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn 7. Head. So turn 7. Head. Then release anything. Okay? Now we do everything from the beginning. Okay? We do it super slowly so you can follow, guys. Okay? But anyway, you can just rewind it if you having hard time, or make it slower. There's a new option in YouTube that you make it slower. I will sound like this. Whoa. Like a whale. Alright, let's try from the beginning. 5, 6, 7. Slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Away and 7, 8. Yes! 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Left. 2 and 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. To that. And the hop. Hop. To that. And 2. Hop. Hop. Side. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8. You're getting faster. 2, 3, 4. Here we go. 6, 7, 8. Catch. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you like that choreography. Please don't forget to subscribe on my channel, share it to your friends, give us a like, and give us a comment or suggestion. Okay, so see you next time. Bye bye.